Konnichiwa, my name's Gerald. Today we went for a trip to see Aitoen, which is a green tea and coffee processing company. Yeah, it was really interesting. We saw all the machinery they use to weigh and package the materials and learnt a little bit about some of the issues they have with tolerances around weight, which is quite interesting for me because I can relate to that with the logs that we produce in our business, the different lengths that we have to cut the logs to and the tolerances that we have around that. Some good learnings for us to try and aim high in our business.
Today was a day of contrast about detail and care that I saw it displayed from the Toyota management and from Hyore-san or Hyore-sensei. Knowing the level of detail that you need in order to make lean work well, both up and down the supply chain, but the care that's needed in order to help the people that are part of lean embrace it and be able to work with it was quite a contrast for me and something that I hadn't expected to find out. For me, the thing that I'm going to take away from today is that it's an overall process that while it's detail focused, you need to take the entire supply chain into account or it's not going to work well, if at all. And tonight was just a fabulous evening, knowing that it wasn't westernized, that the dinner we had, the Japanese dinner we had, sitting on mats, letting our feet become numb and then all having back pain while we tried to stand up because we'd been sitting too long, was great. The food was great, it was fabulous.
I wish you a warm welcome to Inuyama. Kanpai, everybody.
Kanpai.
Yes, we did have a good night. We laughed and laughed.
Respectful place to work, doing worthwhile work. The other thing, even with, how about the drivers and the charting of how efficient they were and how often they braked and whether they were speeding and not to check them, of course, just to work with them to make it safer next time.
It was immaculate for a metal processing plant, but they have everything in its place, and the boards they had, the information that's there for all the employees is just outstanding.
And the real focus on improvement, that's really tremendous. It's great to see.
Big emphasis on safety. First thing they talk about here was safety. They talk about their people safety.
Yeah, and the pride. They've all got a lot of pride in their work and their workplace, and proud to show it to everyone as well.
Yeah, you got a feeling with a good community here.
Yeah.
This idea of safety gates and a safety message around critical doorways that people walk through, and so for me that would be the doorway into the dairy. I like that because I think people have a feeling of when they walk through something, they're inclined to really change or reiterate their behaviour.
What I've learnt out of this week is that it's a totally flip side of thinking from what we originally had. We can improve on where we already have it implemented, and also use what I've gained this week to drive it to the next site. It's been real eye-opening.